Imagine yourself in this Ram 2019 1500 Classic Lone Star Silver. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 3.92 rear axle ratio, manufacturer's statement of origin, brilliant black crystal pearl coat, engine, 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVT, rear window defroster, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 70, DFK, anti-spin differential rear axle, rear-wheel drive and tow hitch. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.